Okay, so already completed. I'm not explaining this, only start button. Then this one is equal to x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 7. Then after that, once again the process box. What I have taken? R. I have taken R is equal to x into y. After that, we are displaying the result in which box? In the parallelogram box. Okay, so print what is the value? R without double quote. After that, what? Stop. So this one is your flowchart of your this one the layout flowchart of your particular program. The two given number and multiply and display the results. Okay, in real life in Python, how to do this one thing? Because you know this flowchart is what? Flowchart is just a layout, or flowchart is just a plan. Flowchart is just a plan. What happened? Persons are entering and going, coming, Mangsurana going, coming, Saurabh Sahu. If you want to come, come, otherwise you don't come. So next is your x is equal to 10, then y is equal to 7, then r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0 for the result. After that, they multiply two numbers, then given the results. Okay. Then what are the mathematical operators you are using till now? What are the mathematical operators you are using? The mathematical operators we are using, what are the? Plus, minus. Already I have told these things. This one is for this thing. This one is used for what? Multiplication. This one used for the fraction. This one used for this thing. Fraction. Division. But it gives the result in the fraction. Okay. Give the result in the fraction. Give the result in the fraction. But another is a double slash. This one giving this the floor value. Which value? Floor value. FL double O R floor value. That means there is no any decimal part. Only this thing integer part. Only integer part. No decimal part. Which double slash symbol? Which symbol? Double slash symbol. Another operator I have told you. This one is the percentage symbol. This one is the percentage symbol. Okay. Just in which key it is present there? In after dollar. First one is exclamation mark, then at the rate, then hash, then dollar. After that, percentage symbol is there. Percentage symbol and 5. Both characters or both alphabets. Or no, you cannot say this one the alphabet. This one is your sign. This one is not a numerical part also. Percentage symbol. You can say this one is a special character. This one is a special character, and 5 is your number. Both things in a single key percentage. So what is the job of the percentage key? The job of the percentage key is display the remainder. Okay, it display the remainder. Next, come to this questions. Next, yeah. That now suppose I want to two given numbers 10 and 7. 10 and 7 multiply this one. Okay. Next question. Suppose I am writing. What is the writing? Next questions. Same thing is that. Same thing. Two given number multiplies over. Now remainder going to display it. Okay. So which symbol is used? This hash symbol. Hash symbol is for the hash symbol is used for your what? To ignore the any Python statement. कुछ भी Python statements को आप ignore करना चाहते हो, okay, disable करना चाहते हो और कमी करना चाहते हो, so put the hash symbol before that. उसी का पहले hash symbol बैठा दो. This particular statements will not work or not executable. Okay. So what is the first thing is that now next one let's start about only there two given number. What is my question? Two given number 10 and 3 display reminder. Two given number, they will display reminders. Okay, display reminders. How to display? First flowchart. Draw the flowchart first. Draw the flowchart. Then after that we will do in the program. Okay. First flowchart you have to draw. What is the first? This is the start button. You have to start the program. Okay. That first we have set our mind that we have to build the programs. After that, next is what? Which box? We have to given two given numbers. For that what? Already you know these things. I'm not explaining again and again this thing. Okay. So next is here, suppose I'm taking another n is equal to 10 and m is equal to 3 and another variable is taking reminder r is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. R is equal to 0. Okay, these three thing inside the these three thing inside the which box? Inside the process box, because after processing this value will be this value of this the alphabet will be 10, 3 and 0. Okay, so this box after the next is here. Next what have we calculated? Next display the what is my question? Reminder. So what have to give this thing? Next is here. Okay, reminder is equal to first r is equal to n percentage of 3 n percentage of. Okay, because this percentage symbol return the reminder value, not the fraction or not the floor value. It returns only the reminder value. Okay, so let's come after that display the value, display these three things. Which box you have to do? This box. No, this box we have to, because this one is which box? Sorry, this one is a which box? Parallelogram. This one is the input and output box. This one is the input and output box. So write down here this reminder print the reminder is or reminder or direct write down, no problem for that. Or we can write them also message also. Reminder is okay. Whenever you're making the figure, you make a little bit bigger size. Little bit bigger size. Little bit bigger size you make it. After that, next step is what? Now my m is over. Now I have to close this one. Now I have to stop these things. Now I have to stop making this one and stop. Now stop this. And this one is your start. START. I forgotten to write this thing. So start those two variables, n is equal to 10, m is equal to 3, r is equal to 0. Because two given numbers were there. Two given numbers. Already this thing you know. Already. Just new thing is what? New thing is your what? This one is your new thing, that the percentage symbol we are using. Because why percentage symbol we are using? Because my question is asking the what? Reminder. Clear? Now these things I have to do. Now this thing I have to do in the Python program. This is the layout. This one is the layout. This is my idea. This is my idea. Okay, this is my layout, and this one is the blueprint of our this program. Okay, now real life program you have to do. Okay, really you have to do. In which place you have to do really? In which place you have to do? In Python you have to do. Okay, so erase this one, no problem. Next, come to the others here. Two given number. What I have taken? M is equal to nm, n is equal to 10, and m is equal to 3. Two variables, and r is equal to 0. So r is equal to n percentage of n, m percentage of n, n percentage of n, n percentage. Okay, if you are confused n and m, you can take the x and y also, no problem for that. Okay, whatever you are feeling this comfortable. Okay, now this thing always you take this one. This thing always you take one. Here. Huh? So this thing you have to take. So next after that what? Now, the results you have to do. Print print reminder is MIN BER reminder is. Now what is the reminder value? Reminder value what? Next is your R. Reminder is R. Now check. So 10 divided by 3 is what? My what? 10 divided by 3? 3 3 is 9. So what is the reminder? 1. It should not come. 3 3 is 9. It should not come the quotient. It should not come. What should come? This the 1 should come. What should come? 1 should come. Okay. Let's check now. Let's check now. Now you have to run the program. Start. Then first run or first save it. Okay. Whenever you are running the program, before that you have to save the existing program. Save this one. Save. Now go to the run. Then run module. Now run module. See, then our reminder is 1. Automatically come. Now my reminder is 1. Clear? So this is the output. So okay. Previously what we have done? What we have done? Flowchart we have done. Now what we are doing? Now real life. In really we are doing by the help of this Python we are doing. Yes, it is giving the 10, 3 automatically giving the result. Clear? And now now next thing is that what have to do now? Reminder. Now suppose the fraction value I want to do. Okay, fraction value. Fraction value. Really, suppose 10 divided by 3. What? 3 3 are 9. Once again you come. Then point. Then once again point. Then 0. Then once again 3 3 are 9. Then 1 3 3 are 9. Like that. So this fraction value. Fraction value should come. Fraction value should come. Okay. How to do this one? Write down the questions. Question change it to given number. To given number. Okay. This thing you do in the flowchart. Flowchart, this thing you do. Okay, I'm doing the program directly. You do the flowchart and post in my WhatsApp. Okay, post and I will check. I will check. And this thing and display divided by two given number this and this divide it and display result. Display result. This is my question. Now what I have to do? Now in place of this percentage symbol, what I have to do? And just simple slash symbol. Simple slash symbol mention. Okay. Before that you could save it. Save this one. Run module. Run module C. See this is the value of this fraction 3.33333333 after that. Unlimited because this is the endless. This is the endless. So this is my which one? Now this is my what fraction value. Okay. Now next question is that write down these are the question. Draw the flowcharts. You have to do make it and post in it. Draw flowchart. To given number 20 and 3. Divide it and display result. Okay, this thing you have to do and post. Next thing is that next question. This is the first. This is your question. You have to do at your home and post in WhatsApp. Next questions I'm giving. This is the flowchart. Okay, I'm doing the program. You do the flowchart. Both type of question will come. Okay, then draw flowchart. To given number 20 and 3. Display the floor value only. Display the floor value only. Display the floor value only. Okay. Display the floor value only. Display the floor value. So these two things you have to do. These two things you have to do and post in my WhatsApp. Okay. Not like that. This you will do and this every time you will know. Okay. After completing your class, suppose this class is before 10 o'clock. Before 10 o'clock, you have to post it. Okay. ऐसे नहीं कि दिन भर post करते रहेगा ऐसे नहीं है 10 o'clock 10 to 10:15 whatever the coming I will check this one. Okay. Next now next thing is 10 and 3 divide it and display the results. Now divide this one and the remainder is this. Okay, clear? Now next thing is that now display the what next question. This question already I have done. Okay, I have done in the programming. What is the how this type of question will come? To write the Python program. Write Python program to given number. How do the question is now? This one. Write WRITE. Write Python program or script. This type of question come. Write Python program or script. Write Python program or script. script, right? Python program or script. Okay, to given number, right? Python program or script to given number 10 and this dividing and display the result. Display the results. This type of question will come. If it is coming, draw flowchart. So if you draw this one, if this type of question come, so you have to write this type of this answer. This type of the answer. Okay. If flowchart is telling, draw the flowchart, start all the diagrams given up to the stop. You come. No problem for that. This one. If it is coming, write Python program or write the Python script. So you have to write down like that. You have to write down like that. So okay. So now next questions I am doing. Which question? The next question suppose I am doing. Which one? Next this one. Floor value. Floor value one. How to do the floor value? No problem. Now this one divide by this one is the answer of this one. Next question is the right Python program. Two given. Now I'm changing this one. Another file. Okay. I'm changing here, but you have to write down separately. Separate file. Separate page. You have to write down all these things. Okay. Separate number. You mention the separate number. Clear? So 10 and 3 divide and display floor value only. Display floor value only. FLOOR floor value only. Display the floor value only. Okay, no decimal part. Last question what? 3.333330 like that. So you can take the variables, any variable. Suppose I'm taking variable x and taking variables y. For the result I'm taking r and n. Then floor value for what? Double slash. What will double slash I have to put over here. So r is equal to n slash then n. Because slash return the what? Only floor value. Exactly percentage symbol return the what? Return the what? Reminder only. And single slash symbol it returns the fraction value. Clear? And star is written for the what? Multiplication. Multiply this one and give the result. Plus symbol addition. Minus symbol returns what? Subtractions. Okay. So this symbol is used for the what? Floor value only. Okay. Now save the program. No problem. Run. Question is given. Now floor value. Question is given. Now run module. See, a name error is there. What is the error message? Error message came. What is the error message came? See. Why this error message came? Anybody can say. Tell me. Give the chart. This error message came. Okay, I'm erasing this one. Okay. I'm erasing this one. Okay. Now tell me. Give me a chart. This is why. This is the name error. A name error came. A message is that. What is the name of the message? Name error. Name error. That means some name is there which Python does not understand. Python does not understand. Okay, in our online class, if somebody will come without name or a person come, this name I do not know. That means what? I will not allow you, or I will not allow that person. Okay, that means why? Because name error. Because I do not recognize that particular name. Okay, somebody came. I think, this student is not in the class 9 student. How is coming? I think class 11. I think class 12. Okay, I confuse that this person. So this type of error is called the what? Name error. Because some variable is there which Python it does not understand, does not recognize that particular variable. Particular variable ko Python pehchan nahi. So which one? Name. Which one is there? N. N did not. See, it is written name. N is not defined. N is not defined. Okay. So go to the program. Go to the program. Now see. Yes, really, because there is no M. There is no M. Okay. So what is written? We have taken X. We have taken Y. We have taken Y. Change this one. X divided by this. Now save it. Now save the program. Run module. Run. Now see. This is with that message. See given. Message is already there. Whatever message is giving same thing, but it is not reminder. It is not reminder, but message means whatever you are giving the inside the double quote, this exactly same thing will come. Don't worry about this matter. So this is the nothing matter. This is the nothing matter. So I down floor FL double OER floor value is R. Okay. So 3 3 are 9, 3 10, 3. Okay, so what? I'm dividing 3 10. Now 3 3 are 9. After that, remainder 1, no problem, anything, no decimal, only 3. This result should come over. Okay, so let's run the program now. Let's run the program. Erasing this one. Go to the mouse. Now click on file run, click on run module. Click on run module. Click on run, click on C. Now the see spelling mistake. FL double here. Floor FL double R, not ER. Floor value is now what? Now floor value is 3. Not fraction, not decimal. Fraction भी नहीं आएगा, decimal भी नहीं. Suppose let's check. Suppose I am taking so 22 given number 20, 20, 20 and 20 and 3, 20 and 3. Now 20 and next value is the 3. Now into the reminders. Okay, run module. Okay. Okay, now see, we see the floor value is the what? Floor value is 6. Floor value is 6. Okay, which value I have taken? I have taken the 20. Next one. 3. 3 6 is 18. Next is the remainder is what? 2. But my question is what? Is asking only floor value? No decimal. Decimal नहीं आएगा. कल floor value आएगा. Then तुम्हारा तो remainder भी नहीं आएगा. If you want to display the remainder, no problem. Percentage you have to do. If you want to do the calculation, is the complete. That means fraction value. A simple slash symbol you have to mention. But my question is there. But only floor value, no decimal, no remainder. So just I'm giving only what with symbol slash symbol slash slash. Okay. So let's. So this is my program. This is my program. This is my x is equal to 10, y is equal to 3, r is equal to 0. Now x is equal to x slash 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 y. X slash slash y. Now this is the floor value. FL double R. Floor value is this one is your all these things that plus symbol I've completed, minus, then star. Okay, then next is your slash, divide, how to divide that. Next is the very important reminder completed. Next floor value completed. So these are the mathematical operators we are using flowchart as well as your Python. Both of these things in Python. Okay, yes, already entry. Chinmay already entered. I think enter. Already enter. Okay, last time he is coming, for 2-3 minutes is there to complete our class, and she is coming now. Okay, so this one is your the 20, then 3, then r. X r is equal to this. This one is the floor value. Now subtraction you have done or not? I think you have not done. Subtract it. Write in the Python program. This thing you have to do in your copy this the flowchart. Draw flowchart to given number. Number 20 and 7. Subtract it. Subtract it. उसको तो this thing you have to do. वो आप लोग करोगे, ठीक है? You have to do this one. Draw the flowchart. ठीक है? 3 questions given देखो. First question, second question, and this one is your third question I'm given. Okay, draw this one and send it in my WhatsApp. Okay. Now this thing I'm doing in your Python program. I'm doing this one. I'm doing this one Python program, right? Python. How to this one is the what flowchart question. Okay, draw flowchart. This type of question will come. If it come in the programming, if it will come in the program, how this question? The question structure will be like that. The write Python program or script Python programs will given two numbers. One is just 20, another is just 7. Another is just 7. Subtract it and display the result. Subtract it. Okay. If any small your spelling mistakes are there, you rectify it and write, no problem for that. Okay. Subtract it and display the result, not floor value. Display the result. So here the beginners for this, so this small question will come. Okay, what are variables? Okay, identifier. Last class I have told you all these underscore symbol except starting uh, uh, starting of the variable or starting of the identifier should not be number. Okay, so it will not accept any special character in a variable. Suppose I want to take a variable, right? Suppose roll number. If I want to store the roll number, so I'm taking the roll number ROLLNO space. So it is not a valid because space is there. If you want to validate, how to give it? ROLL underscore NO. You can give because underscore not hyphen. Two things are there. One is the hyphen, another is the underscore. बीच में जो आता है, this one the hyphen. Under नीचे में जो आता है, this one is your underscore. So Python understand only underscore, not the hyphen. If you are writing the hyphen, that means this one is the wrong. Okay, space is not allowed. Suppose I'm taking a variable, let's say 5x. Okay, so I want to store the 20 in the 5x. No, it will give the error message. It will give the error message. Clear? So check this one. I'm taking another variable. Now to given numbers, I'm taking a variable here, number 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 1 is equal to what? Given number 20 and number 2 number number 2 is equal to 7. Subtract it and this one I'm writing here variable, another variable. I'm taking my result, my result. My result is equal to 0. My result is equal to 0. My result result. My result is equal to what? X minus y, because question is asking subtraction. Okay, so I'm writing result result. Result is what? Result is कहाँ पे है? Which variable? Which identifier? My result my result. Okay, now let's run the program. Okay, two given number, one number I have taken, another number I have taken, for result I have taken, subtract it and display the result. See, subtract, sorry, here I have taken what? Not x and y. I have taken number NUMBR number 1 minus NUMBR number 2. Number 1 minus number 2. In number 1, 20 is there. In number 2, 7 is there. Let's run the program. Okay, let's run the program. Now, go to the run module. Okay, run module. Okay. See, invalid syntax. Okay, or automatically Python will give the error message because this one is not valid. What I've told in my, the space character will not accept. Space nahi hai. Okay, what you want to give? No, sir, I want to give separate number and one. So you can give hyphen here, but underscore. We should underscore. Suppose my mistake we were giving the hyphen. Check. Run module. Okay. See. In a minute, 1 second. In a minute. Okay, so these are the no. We want to give it this one without space, or want to give this the underscore. You can give what? Underscore, or don't give the any space. Don't give any space. Suppose I'm giving that. Okay, 1 minus number 1. Now let's run the program. See, once again, another space character. Space will not allowed. Space is not allowed. See, once again come. cannot assign this the operator. Minus why? Number is correct. There is no space. Why error message coming? Because I have given hyphen. Hyphen is not allowed. If it is allowed, there is the underscore. This is the underscore. नीचे में जाता है. तो बीच में जाता है. This one the hyphen. The underscore. Now run module. Okay. Now this C. Now result is that. Okay. So do you understand? So hyphen is not acceptable. Hyphen acceptable नहीं है. Suppose I am giving